Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to update apps on Android 2025. Let's begin. First, you want to navigate into your Play Store. Then you want to click on your icon in the top right corner. Then click Manage Apps and Device. And after that, you want to go into Updates. Here you should have a list of all your applications that are currently not up to date. And you can simply hit Update to update a very specific application, or even easier, hit Update All to update all applications that you currently have installed on your device. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.